Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to format or hard reset any Vivo phone. Now first of all, just power off your smartphone. Now to do that, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now as you can see, the power menu has appeared on the screen. Now just select power off. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to completely power off. Now after that, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until the fast boot screen appears on the screen. Just like that. Now once the fast boot screen appears on the screen, just release the power button and the volume up button. Now to navigate this screen, just press the volume down button and select recovery mode. Now just press the power button to confirm recovery mode. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now on this screen, just select clear data. Now just tap on clear all data. From here, just select OK. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to clear all the data on your smartphone. Now after that, just tap on return. From here, just tap on the arrow icon at the upper left corner on the display. Now just tap on restart. Now just tap on OK. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to restart. Now as you can see, this is how you can format or hard reset any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.